Make a quick tutorial video about setting up your TechConnect desktop correctly. So let's go ahead and get started and log in. Once you've done that, it should bring you to a home page. I've already got my home page all set up, my ITIL home page, but we're actually going to switch over to a different one just so I can show you how to get started from scratch. So to do that, you go up to the top right where it says switch to page, and then I'm going to go ahead and select CAB homepage. I'm not too certain what any of these widgets are here, but it's not really that important. What's important is that we're just starting from scratch, starting from a totally new page. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of the widgets that are currently on here. And now I'm going to go up to the top left and select this big plus button. This is to add content, and this is what we're going to use to add the widgets that we need. So over here in this first column, select gauges, and then in the second you want to scroll down to incident, and in the third column you scroll down to TTS Student Support Services Ticket Counter. Alright, and then you can add it in one of four places, either to the top, to the left, to the right, or bottom of the screen. I'm just going to add it to the right section. I like to have it on this area. It takes a nice little half. And then we're going to use the this first column again to find our second widget. So just scroll down to catalog categories. How can we help you in the second column? And then category items in the third column. Then I'm going to add this to the left side of the screen. Again, you can add it anywhere you want really, but I just prefer to have it left and right like that. So once you've added those two widgets, you can go ahead and close this out. And the kind of important things to note here are that we don't use any of these other options here on this left hand column, how can we help you widget. We only really need the Medford computer drop-off widget or link, and again that's only going to be used in Eaton, not Mugar. We don't do computer drop-offs in Mugar. And then on the right hand side we have our ticket counts, which keeps track of the computers to be fixed, computers awaiting pickup, and computers awaiting parts. So those are all the tickets that are assigned to TTS Medford hardware repair. And then the bottom two categories, open DMCA tickets and other open tickets, are going to be those that are assigned to TTS Medford walk-up desk. So once you've added both these widgets, the desktop is all set. Finally, you can navigate back to this desktop by either clicking here from any other page. So let's say you're in the progress of creating a ticket and you need to get back to your home page. You just click that and it'll bring you right back. You can also hit the switch to page button up here and switch back and forth. You can customize different desktops. You won't really need to do that, but once you've created a CAB, ITIL, or manager homepage, it'll show up as my CAB homepage or my ITIL homepage, and those are just the ones that you've customized. So you can switch back and forth between any of the custom ones you've made using that option. But otherwise, that's about it. All right, see you later.